Alright, so my beautiful girlfriend got a new phone today in the mail. It is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So we're gonna open it for you. I'll show you what's in the box.
I had the iPhone 6 for years, and it's
She's
taken
ready to give up the iPhone life. She's sick of the iPhone life, so we're going to move to Samsung. This is being filled with last year's model, the Samsung Galaxy S8. That's why this video looks so crisp and clear.
Oh boy.
Boy, are you excited? Your first real Android. That's not a cheapo tablet or something.
I had an Android. I used to have Blue Silver.
Well, that was old Android. This is state-of-the-art technology here.
Look at that.
The box is even shiny and look at that. Good presentation.
Yeah. Definitely.
Let's see, it should just slide right out of there. There you go. It says Samsung on this box too.
Oh my god.
Use the little knife.
Boxes.
This is kind of how mine was packaged too.
Yeah.
Try not to cut yourself, okay?
I'm trying.
Alright, that's good. That's good. You got it. It has magnet. Oh no, it has a little tab there. What do we got there? Wow, look at that. In all its glory. Look at that thing.
There she is.
Beautiful. Flip it over. Let me see the back. Let's see that new camera. 2 cameras. Ooh, focused.
Yeah.
Apparently one has an adjustable iris. I'm guessing it's that one. Seeing as, I don't know, it's hard to tell. And then you have the heart rate monitor like on this one. Off to the side, the fingerprint reader there.
Yeah.
Fingerprint reader, heart rate monitor. What else comes in the box here? We have the transfer cable, the transfer thing that plugs into the bottom of the phone, and then you plug your iPhone cable into there and that should transfer. You have your adaptive fast charger. It comes with, I think the last 3 or 4 of them came with that. What else you have in here? These headphones, I got the same headphones with my S8. These are really, really good headphones.
Yes.
Yes. And extra cups. And your new charging cable.
Nice.
Let's see, is this thing going to turn on right out of the box? No, it's not an iPhone. Buttons are on the side.
Okay, I'm just getting used to it.
It's on the other side. That's.
Oh.
There it is. That's the button. Oh, there you go. That's it. The Galaxy S9 kind of looks like the S8, but much nicer. Much nicer. Alright, well, it's gonna set that up, so we'll do that afterwards. Let's check out this case you got from Amazon. Okay, you having trouble? Are you having trouble opening this?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, look at that. I forget what the name of this case was. It is, I don't even focus really. We changing don't change the language. U Maker from Amazon. Seems like a pretty quality case. Has a little kickstand on the back.
Water resistant.
Yeah, look at that. That's nice. Water resistant. The phone
Shock
is
absorbent.
yeah. The phone is waterproof anyway. So it doesn't really matter, but it will help to keep, I guess, the phone dry, even though it doesn't matter. Anyway, here.
I don't know how
Hold this.
comfortable I'd be putting my phone underwater without like a.
I'm perfectly fine with that. I've done it before with my phone.
Yeah.
And it's just fine. Well, one thing about the case. Definitely does. Let's put it right in the case. Did you take the front screen protector off yet? Nope. Excellent. Shush, 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 shush. Put it right. Alright. You are in the case. Check that out, huh? That is nice. It is really nice. You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Alright. Well, she's going to get it all set up. That's basically it. It's kind of like the same thing that comes with the S8. But I have a feeling that the software and all the hardware on the phone is much, much better.
I really like how you could do all the manual settings through just like voice guiding. You know, for people who have certain disabilities and have trouble, you know,
Navigating
with their
without.
hands or. So that's good that already from the start it shows it's got assistive equipment that's probably definitely better than Siri, because Siri could never understand what I was saying.
Alright, well, hopefully everything should work out pretty well. And if there's anything terrible that happens, we'll leave another review. If it's good, maybe we'll make another review if it stands out from the S8. Alright,